afternoon, morning, evening, wherever you are. We, like I said, we're prepping the car to get painted. This is our outside paint booth, no problem. So we have all hands on deck. So no more flames. We're still going to leave the name Dazza for the car. It is no cheeseburger. At the moment, it's just cheese. Yes. So flames are off. I'm kind of going to miss them, but new colour is going to be sick. I've got a front bar down there, so it's going to get prepped too. Going different rear bumper as well, so that's what the rear looks like. This is the new people. You know what you're looking at, mate? Didn't think you did. Perfect. Safety boots.
And it's always good when this happens because it's like the perfect height.
Look at that. The perfect height. The perfect height. Oi!
It looks naked, it's funny.
Oh, thanks. He likes to get naked.
Not the first time.
And that's the rear bar. Oh, and the quarter panels are here on our workbench. Yeah, just got a AMG here and paint booth. Old mate's parked his AMG next to our paint booth. Yes, but car's not getting painted right here. It's actually going first thing, and for me it's going to be first thing in the morning to the paint booth. So we're going to paint it there, so you'll see some more of that there. That's all I have right now. Blown tyre. Cool. Into the paint booth we go. Jason's not painting the car. Me and Vlad over there are painting the ring. His LS house here. Are you guys paying off each other to like get good footage?
Yeah, it's the only way to roll.
We say everyone gets some old school footage of like the camera zooming in. We'll put one on your car, and it'll be that far away where we're ahead. It'll be awesome.
Just don't break the microphone from the extravagant noises that comes out.
What we'll do is we'll just blur out. We're gonna blur out Jason's handbrake entries. So if there's a blur on the video, there's nothing.
You gotta enter. You gotta enter.
Oh jeez, we've got an attack here to film proper footage, which probably won't happen because I don't really film too much when I just get excited and drive. He's a good engine though. Not SR, just in case if you didn't know, not SR, CR18, good Nissan engine. Tell you what, it's more than half, no less than half, no more than half of my engine, and it's double the power. Yep, the car is literally... Oh, is this the cheapest car you've had in your booth?
Swedish, maybe?
Hey, I'm gonna blur that out. Just gonna fuzz you.
I've seen your editing skills, Dave.
It's fine. We're gonna get it in paint. So I've pretty much wrapped the whole car up, sanded it all down, and then just got a few of the panels, put on the little horse stands, whatever they're called, give them a little prep wash, and then we're going to start hitting them with the gun. So I'm pretty sure Vlad's going to give it a go. He wants to learn how to paint. I don't really care who paints it, as long as it's painted, so should be good. Neatest beater I've ever had. just quickly, there's no, Vlad's never actually painted a car, so it's kind of, he just wants to learn and test, so he's just learning, giving it a go. Paint job on this does not look that much, it's a beater, so I'm already loving it. Oh, looks so good, but yeah, him and Jason just kind of talking about how to change technique a little bit and stuff like that. I probably realised when we started, it was probably ideal after the brief at a time. It's not good, but I'm not a paint expert, by the way. I was just talking to Jason who's doing it to learn a little bit as well. So, otherwise, we're going to get the other panels in, whip them up, but I'm loving that already. I'm keen. So that is not the final, I guess. A couple more pieces. I decided to put the front on, and basically haven't had time right now to do it. So basically Monday we're going to have to finish painting the rear quarters. So that's why they're not on. Rear quarters, rear bar, side skirts. Don't know what I'm doing with the bonnet vent. I think I'm just going to get a bike, so that will happen. But I'm super keen for this reveal. So I am purely because I'm running out of daylight. I thought because it's probably going to look yellow in the light. However, we have got a new camera at this section of the video, so it might look a whole lot better with this camera. So that's how she's looking. Look, it's definitely still a beater, this car. So you're looking at going, there's just so many imperfections. Well, it's a beater, so that's meant to. And the colour actually is off a 2002 to 2007 Toyota Camry. So not in this country, but it's a factory Toyota colour. So this here's a bit, hey, how's your father? Come down. And that's where I'm at. So what you see. So I've still yet to obviously put on this part over there. So, and I still have the skirt to put on because yeah, daylight is, well, the sun is somewhere that way. So I think we're going to run out, but just in case, I'll try and get the night shots, but I'm pretty stoked with it. We're definitely going to have stickers on the side of it, just here. So, unfortunately, obviously, literally the guard is still wet. So Carl's painted in the booth, like you've seen, but something happened with Jason's booth. Didn't want to fire up, so we couldn't actually hit it today like we were meant to. So I had to go out to my special outdoor booth and wax some paint on it. So I'm currently covered in paint, which is just exciting. We got the strobe pipe back on, and with the sad news actually, like we've been busting to get these cars ready, and Matsuri's now moved away, so it's moved till a few weekends later, which I now forgot the date, so I'll have to work that out and tell you in a moment. But yes, I just thought she's so noisy but so good. Alright, there it is, and it's, I pretty much have one thing up the back there on that side. Basically the mounting brackets from smacking the wall so many times, I just got to redo them, but this side was still good. I totally forgot that was still fine, so apart from a little ding, but doesn't matter. So that is it. Don't know how well the lighting will be for the vid for you guys, but it'll, that is pretty much her. I think the mirrors, I just got to do the mirrors, still a ding because look, it's a better, don't matter. And then this side needs a bit of that, just there sorting out, but otherwise it's pretty done. Just got to have a fiddle with the spoiler. It's not perfect, paint was still a bit wet, so but March 26-27 is the new date for the QR Matsuri, so we'll be there hopefully drifting in the dry. Hopefully it doesn't rain anymore with this damn rain. So hope you guys enjoyed how this thing looks. Yeah, I just love beige, so I painted it beige. Why? Because I just love beige. So didn't know how it would look, didn't care really how it would look, I just wanted to paint it. And this paint's a real easy paint to paint, so that is why I went with this. So it's basically the same type of paint for the A1 white, which is on the Falcon, with clear and everything's inside. So we didn't primer it or anything like that, we just hit it, so it should stay on for long enough anyway. So yes, hopefully it will look good in should look good in photos. But yeah, some stickers will come. That is it for this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. With Matsuri being cancelled, I guess it gives us more time to prep, so a few things need to be done, a couple other cars need to get ready, so we'll document that. Thanks guys.